Welcome to this class. Today we will study algebraic ladder. It is second example of algebraic ladder. In previous class we will study in detail what is algebraic ladder, what is the syntax of it and how it works. And we do a practical on this question also with the help of relational operator. So you have to go through that video to understand properly what is algebraic ladder and how it works. And the same on the basis of same concept, today we will study second example. In this example I will use logical AND operator to sort out this operation. So let us start. First of all we will open Notepad++ and here we will import a package util for scanner class. Now we will take a class example2, and in this class I will take main method here. I will make an object of scanner class. Now first of all we have to ask the user to enter total cost of purchase, and on the basis of total cost we have to calculate percentage of discount, and then we have to print final amount. So we'll ask user to enter total cost of purchase, enter total cost. Total cost is a variable I am taking, and in it will read total cost value. Now we will apply a condition if total cost is greater than equals to 1 and total cost is less than equals to 2000. According to this condition, less than or equals to 2000, discount is 5%, so we will calculate 5% discount. So discount, for this we will take a variable discount and we'll say discount will be 5% of total cost. It is first situation. In second case, if total cost is in this range 2001 to 5000, so we will apply else if ladder total cost is greater than equals to 2001 and total cost is less than equals to 5000. In that case discount will be total cost into 25%. In third situation we say if total cost is greater than 5001 and total cost is less than equals to 10,000, then discount will be total cost into 35 upon 100. And last condition is else if total cost is greater than 10,000, in that case discount will be total cost into 50%. So like this we can calculate discount. Now we have to print message system.out.println total cost. It will print total cost. Discount, it will print discount. final amount total cost minus discount will be final amount. Now first of all we will save this program. Go to file, save, my computer, C drive, JDK bin folder, example 2. We have to save Java program with class name. It is compulsory. Now we'll take JDK and we'll go to bin folder of this and compile Java example2 .java. Println. We have to write println properly. It is wrong. Again Ctrl S and run this program. Ctrl S again. Java example2. Now we have to enter total cost. Suppose I enter total cost 2000 rupees. So for 2000, total cost is 2000, discount will be 100 rupees, 5% of 2000, and amount he have to pay 1900 rupees. If I take this example, total cost is more than 10,000. I am taking 20,000. In this case, total cost 20,000, discount will be 10,000, and amount he have to pay 50%. And if we took this example, total cost is, suppose I am taking this example, total cost is 10,000. Then 3,500 will be discount, and total amount you have to pay 6,500 rupees. So like this we can calculate total cost with the help of LCF ladder. It is second example of LCF ladder along with logical AND operator I use in this example. I hope this program is clear to you. If you have any problem or any query, you can ask me through comment. Definitely I will reply. If this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos related to these topics. You can study all the topics of this chapter or related to this. Link of all those tutorial I will provide under the description of this video. Beside this, if you want to study all these tutorial in Hindi, I have one more channel over there. All videos are in Hindi, so link of that channel is also present under the description of all my videos. And thanks for watching.